So engine is a device which convert one form of energy into mechanical energy. Okay. So one form of energy into mechanical energy. So that is called engine. So engines are of two types. First one is heat engine and second one is electric motor. Okay. So what is heat engine? It converts chemical energy of a fuel into thermal energy which is utilized into useful work. As you can see in this figure, it's a V6 internal combustion engine from a Mercedes Benz. So what is V6? So it's in the shape, you can see it's in the shape of a V shape, and it has total 6 cylinders or 6 pistons. So that's why it's called V6 engine or V6 internal combustion engine. Okay, so the figure A shows a V6 internal combustion engine. And the second one is electric motors. So nowadays all are using electric motors, that is battery powered engines. So for battery ignition system, we use electric motor. Okay, so electric motors are uses it converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. So the figure B shows the electric motor, a cross section of electric motor, rotor and stator. You can see here. Up to here, any doubt? Hello.
No.
No, sir.
Okay, good, good, good. The next one is so we have total four strokes in IC engines. So what are the main four steps or main four strokes in IC engine or internal combustion engine, SI engine or combustion IC engine? So what are the main four steps? Suction stroke, compression stroke. Anyone, please reply. Hello.
Expansion.
Power stroke and exhaust stroke or expansion stroke. Okay, right. So in heat engines, the chemical energy of fuel is first converted into heat by combustion. The heat is then converted into mechanical energy with the help of a working fluid. So what are our working fluid? Whether it may be diesel, petrol, or natural gases. So nowadays we are using CNG, that is compressed natural gas, as fuels. Okay. So intense heat produced during combustion increases the pressure and temperature of the working fluid inside the cylinder. So due to that pressure, what will happen? The piston moves back. So that reciprocation movement is converted to the rotary movement in crankshaft. So like that, we get the power output. So the working fluid then expands, resulting in mechanical energy. So the working fluid either like liquid or gas. So in the case of liquid, we use petrol or diesel, and gas we use biodiesels or compressed natural gas. So this figure shows the EcoSport 1.5 liter 3-cylinder gasoline engine. So this all about the first one is bore and stroke. So what is bore and what is stroke? The diameter of the cylinder is known as bore. That means the inner diameter of the cylinder is known as bore. And the displacement of the piston, that is, it's traveled from top dead center to bottom dead center. So this line indicates the top dead center and this line indicates the bottom dead center. So in between the length is called stroke. Okay. So the first terminology are bore and stroke. The next one is piston displacement. So what is piston displacement? So this is the volume that the piston displays during its movement from the top dead center to bottom dead center. So this distance is called piston displacement. So next one is swept volume. Suppose D is the bore diameter. So we already discussed that D is the bore diameter and L is the stroke length. So how to calculate the piston displacement or the swept volume? Pi by 4 D square into L. So this is the equation for finding out the swept volume. For example, for a 4-cylinder engine with a 10 centimeter bore diameter and 8 centimeter stroke length, the piston displacement will be, so V is equal to pi by 4 into D. We have bore diameter 10 centimeter D square into L. L means length, stroke length is 8 centimeter. So we have total 4 pistons or 4 cylinders. So into 4. So by calculating, we get the total set volume. Okay. So the next one is piston displacement or set volume. And the third important one is clear or compression ratio. So what is compression ratio? The compression ratio of an engine is a measure of how much air fuel mixture is compressed in the cylinder. As you can see in this figure. Okay. So as here the clearance volume is, can you see this mouse pointer? Anyone? Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So compression ratio is the volume of air when the piston is at bottom dead center divided by its volume of air when the piston is at top dead center. The volume above the piston is called clearance volume. The compression ratio of an engine is an important factor in its performance. And by increasing only the compression ratio, the engine power increases and the other factor remains unchanged.